Today, you are not going to be seeing my face. I'm just going to be dishing out value as usual. Behind the camera, you are not going to be seeing my face. I hope that is okay. Hello, in case you are wondering who is talking, my name is Jamilat, and this is day 11 of our 30 days AI video creation challenge. I know you'll still be wondering, AI video creation, okay, this is my first time coming across this channel. Don't worry, this challenge is about teaching people, dishing out knowledge about AI. There is a playlist, you can just go through it and see the 10 videos you've missed. Now that you've seen the videos, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop a comment if you are curious about anything, you have any questions, or if you have something you particularly want to learn, and join the family. So today we are going to be doing something super amazing, and I'm just going to be showing you what we're going to be doing from the screen without showing my face. I hope you don't mind. Now let's get right into it. For today, we are going to be creating a commercial video. This is a video you can use for your product no matter what you are selling. You are selling perfume, lipstick, skincare products, bags, you are selling accessories, you are selling whatsoever thing you are selling. Today's video is something you can use for your product, even for your services. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it with free tools. And yeah, it is those apps we've been using before. You don't only use one app for one particular thing, you can use it for different things over and over again. And trust me, with your human touch, you can do so much with AI. With your human touch, you can do magical things. AI cannot be without you. Yeah, AI is AI, it is powerful, it is this, it is that, but trust me, it is with your human touch that it is effective. It is with your human touch that it is what it is. So let's get right into the video, okay? Now, this is what we'll be creating. In case you are wondering what it is called the 3D cinematic video. It's for your product. Like I said, I love it so much, it's super amazing, and we are using just two apps. It's just the Google AI Studio or your Gemini, and we are also going to be using the Grok video to animate. Okay, so let's just do it already. I know that you are curious. To create videos like this, you have to first of all come up with ideas. What do you want to create? Why do you want to create it? And what do you want to create it for? So mine is a perfume and for a perfume brand. After your idea, the steps. And for this, the first step is to create the image we intend to use. There is going to be a prompt in the comment section. You can tweak it. Remember, mine is for a perfume. You can tweak yours to be anything you want it to be. So after generating the image, the second thing you do is take that image that you've just generated to Google AI Studio and tell Google AI Studio to present it into 3x3 storyboard. Okay, I'm going to also be putting that prompt in the comment section. And after that, the next thing you do is take it to Grok and animate it. It's as simple as that, my darling. And there you go, you have your cinematic 3x3 video for your product, no matter what product you have. So for your assignment, I need you to create videos like this for 5 brands: brand 1 perfume, brand 2 a brand that sells cars, brand 3 a brand that sells food, brand 4 a brand that sells shoes, and brand 5 just do anything. Don't forget that all these assignments, I am going to be collecting them. With that assignment, there will be no certification for you. If you did not know what we are talking about, if you did not join us, if you don't know this assignment thing we are doing, you can check the playlist. All the videos, all the things you've missed, they are there. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Don't forget that what you can do with AI is limitless. As days goes on, you keep learning and learning. All you just need to do is just stay close to me, because I will be teaching you so much. Stay safe and bye.